Okay, so we have reflexive sides and vertical angles. So a reflexive side is when two figures share a side and that side is congruent to itself. So they have to share that side. That's what a reflexive side is. A vertical angle is when we have two lines that intersect. The opposite angles created are congruent. Okay, so the opposite angles are created are congruent. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do 4 together. What you're gonna do throughout this worksheet is identify if the following pairs of triangles have a reflexive side, a vertical angle, or neither. And if it does have a reflexive or a vertical, then you identify the congruency. So looking at this one, number 1, we have these two triangles and they are connected. They share this line. So this is a reflexive side, and that means JK is congruent to JK, congruent to that side. Number 2, we have two triangles, and it looks like there's these two lines that are intersecting, crossing each other here. So it almost looks like it's making like a bow tie, and that bow tie kind of tells us that these are opposite angles, which means this is a vertical angle. They are across from each other. So you can say it kind of looks like a bow tie, and if you see that bow tie being created, then the middle angles here that are across from each other are congruent to each other. So this would be angle, let's see, RTS is congruent to angle CTB. Okay? So whenever it looks like a bow tie, that's when you know you have a vertical angle. Maybe if you ever want to write that. Number 3, we have these two triangles. They are connected right here, but this is not looking like a bow tie. So this is going to be a neither situation. This is definitely not a vertical angle. Okay, these angles, we don't know if they are congruent to each other. They are not opposite of each other. They are not formed by two lines crossing paths like this. And then the next one here, these two triangles aren't even touching. So this is going to be a neither as well. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Please use your notes for the rest of this, and good luck.